All right, y'all, you're back and we're back. And we're back with a purse unboxing. I just ordered this Coach and it got delivered not too long ago from the Coach outlet. And I wanted to start doing purse unboxings because I do order quite a few purses from various outlets of designer bags. So this one is the Prarie Satchel that they have on their Coach outlet website right now. So, and it is a real Coach, you guys, just so you know that it is a real Coach. That's the back, and then the inside, it's pretty roomy because I like big purses, so I don't order a lot of Coaches because they're kind of small. The inside with the Coach stamp and my serial number. And this is the front. This is the back. This is the side. And you also get with it, you can carry it as just like a satchel, tote, or whatever. Or you can do a crossbody with that strap. So, it's very cute. I really do like it. Alright, y'all. Peace out.